morning everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, today let's discuss on data analytics. Okay, I hope you all have enough idea what analytics is. Today what we are going to see is data analytics. How we do analytics on data. Anybody has got any rough idea what data could be or what analytics could be or what data analytics could be? If anybody has any of your thoughts, do share it so that on top of it we'll discuss. Share it. Yes, exactly. Data is raw collection of facts that will not give you any meaning. Only when data is being processed, it will give you information. So, what is data? Raw facts. Collection of raw facts is nothing but data. What analytics could be? Kavita, tell me what analytics could be. Sit down and tell, no problem. What analytics could be? Processing on the data that we have collected is analytics. Okay, to derive a solution. Analytics is. Okay, now let us see what data analytics is. When you perform analytics on the collected data to derive a solution, any time in the business when you come up with a solution, you can't manipulate and come up with the decisions. So any decision that has come up with manipulation will not result in the expected or the right outcome. So for us to take a data-driven decision for our business to be extraordinarily performing in the market, we should definitely go with data analytics. Okay, let's get deep into data analytics. It is a set of process. Okay, let's see what process comes first. For us to have data, we have to collect data. There are various techniques to collect data. What are the techniques that you are already aware of? You would have seen when you are watching YouTube videos, there will be surveys coming up. What do you all think of it? It is on data collection strategy. Few data collections will be online mode and other will be offline mode. When you go to a grocery or a departmental store, they would have kept a notebook where you can write down your feedback. That is also one of the data collection methodology that the department store has applied. How will they come up with the mode of collecting data? For that, they will have to empathize their customers. Okay, this class I am talking about empathy. So you always know what empathizing is. It is understanding the customer. In a departmental store, you can't send a survey to your user to get the feedback. So when you are keeping a note, you will get the feedback. So it is always based on your business outcome or the business flow. Your collection of data methodology will vary. One such methodology, what I am telling is written collection of data, otherwise giving a small pamphlet or notice kind of thing and collecting data, and few others are online mode data collection. And apart from data collection, once the data is collected, do you all think the data that you have collected will be in the format how you have expected? No. Few people would have missed filling certain data. Few people would have incorporated different data and different columns, but they would have given the data. But there would be slight missings or mismatches in between. For us to clean the data, what we have collected, the next stage will be cleansing the data. Okay, data cleansing is the next step followed to the data collection. Once you have collected the data, post that you will be cleanse your data. Cleanse your data, nothing but missing things. In case if somebody is filling your birth date, when you go to a jewelry shop, they ask you for your anniversary dates, they ask you for your birth dates to post some wishes on your personal number on the day. So when you are filling month in the column of date and date in the column of month, all those will be checked. This is what is data cleansing is. And post that, next slide. Data cleaning and filtration, as I already told. Next slide. Okay, EDA. What is EDA? Exploratory data analysis. So you have empathized, you have defined stating what would be the collection methodology that you are going to incorporate to collect the data. So empathy stage is over and the defined stage is over, and based on your definition you have collected the data, and next will be prototyping. There is nothing but EDA here. How we prototype here is using exploratory data analysis, using some statistical or visualization tools. When you look at an Excel sheet, will you come up with a solution or will you understand any patterns in the collected data? No. Only by using some graphical representations or using machine learning techniques or any other statistical tools, you will be able to understand the data that you have collected. For us to understand the data that we have collected, we will be using appropriate tools based on the collection methodology that are implemented in the early stages of the data collection process. And post that, once you are performing the statistical methods using this exploratory data analysis, next comes data transformation. And with the analysis, you transform your data. Okay. In the stage of ideation, what we do is we do predictive analysis or prescriptive analysis or diagnostic analysis. The recent trend is prescriptive analysis. In prescriptive analysis, what we do is apart from the prediction, we come up with a solution in order to avoid what we have predicted. If it is good, it will work out well. If it is not so, what solution has to be made to work out well will be analyzed using this prescriptive analysis. Hope you all have a good idea about how we are advertising, how we are defining, and how we are ideating, and how we are coming with the different prototypes that would work out for our case here in the data collection and data analytics process, and also the 4 different analytics that we have discussed for today. And thank you so much. If you all have any queries, please ask me.